add comments. We're still going to use the data set of road accidents that we used last time in the previous lesson. And today, we'd like to know how ChatGPT can help us in creating DAX formulas. Let us have a table view of our data set. And in this case, I would like to introduce a new measure that shows the difference of the number of accidents that happened between 2 consecutive months. As you can see in this column, we have day of week when the accident happened. We also have the date indicated here. So I'd like to introduce a new measure that shows the difference of 2 consecutive months. And in any case, if you do not know how to write this DAX formula, you can come to ChatGPT and input this prompt. This is the prompt that we have typed here. I am working with road accident dataset. I would like to show the change of number of accidents that occurred in 2 months. Generate a DAX formula to calculate this. And we're going to feed the ChatGPT this prompt and see what we get as the feedback. To calculate the change of accident that occurred in 2 months using DAX, you can use the following formula. Change is equals to this, previous month, explanation, current month accident. This variable calculates then the previous month, and then return. And this is a very detailed formula that we have received from ChatGPT. And you can copy this formula as it is and go ahead and paste it on your data set that you're working with in Power BI, and you're going to look at the kind of response that you get from this exact code. It is good to note that you need to have an understanding of what you're looking for. Sometimes Power BI may not give you the accurate formula, and you might receive some errors, you might receive some wrong code. So it is good to counter check whether whatever you have received here is what you want. You can still use this. Since you have this explanation down here, we would like to have our comments indicated in the code. So we're going to copy this code, and then you're going to say and as you can see, we have the comments here. Define variable to calculate the count of accident that occurred in the current month. So you can just say the same thing but for the year this time, so that you see the kind of DAX formula that we get from ChatGPT. Add in different years. So we're going to say here let's have a look at the kind of formula that we get. Change in incidents, variable, current year accident, and then the previous year accident, return this minus that. You can go ahead and copy the code and ask it to add a comment. And there you have it, to receive this code back with the comments added to it. Like I said, before you say this is the correct code, this is what I'll use for as my DAX formula. It is good to counter check. It is good to learn more and familiarize yourself with whatever you're working with, the kind of formula you're working with, so that you don't take ChatGPT errors and paste them in your Power BI measures or the columns that you're trying to generate. That's all that we're going to cover in this topic. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how we can use ChatGPT to propose to us the most appropriate charts that we can use to generate our Power BI report. Until then, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.